At Northwest Indian College, an innovative, hands-on program is teaching the next generation of tribal leaders to achieve energy sovereignty in their communities. The program begins with detailed classroom instruction.
All the possible points of voltage and current that module can have. What is that area below that curve? What does that represent?
Remember that one because Mateo got really excited about it. It represents the power.
Represents the power produced.
Students also get practical hands-on experience by installing a fully functional solar array on a mock roof. Our partners at Remote Energy and All Points North Foundation help us prepare students for jobs providing clean, renewable energy in a changing world.